What's going on, guys? Rob from ClicksGeek, and today's video we're going to run through Google Ads cost per click. How should you set your initial bids on a brand new campaign? All right, so I'm going to walk you through exactly my logic on how I do that. Now, keep in mind, I've been doing this so long that most niches I can just, if we get an onboard for, like, say a junk removal guy or a plumber or an HVAC guy or a SaaS software something, I know right away what all my bids are going to be set at because I've been doing this for so long and I've had to do it so many times. But each market is going to be a little bit different. So I'm going to show you, if you're new or don't know how you should really be setting your bids, how to set that up right out of the gate. All right, so what you're looking at right now, actually, before I get into that, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I always forget to say that. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel and check out the links in the description. There's a lot of stuff in there for you guys and some free courses, all kinds of stuff. All right, so if we go into the keyword planner in Google Ads, so what you're going to do is first you're going to take your keywords. So in this example, we're going to do just pizza delivery, right? So let's say we're running a campaign for a pizza shop. All right, so we're going to put our main keyword in, which is pizza delivery. We're going to get results. We have to make sure, though, we change to our location that we're actually servicing. That way we get more accurate search volumes. So I'm in Bucks County, so we'll just do that. Okay. That's probably going to change our cost per, yep, it is. All right, so you do your location of your campaign. You do your main theme keyword. So this should be an ad group, right? So pizza delivery is going to be an ad group, one ad group in a pizza shop campaign. All right, so you got to do this by ad group because each ad group is going to have different cost per clicks based on the keywords and stuff like that. So just keep in mind when you're watching this video, this is how you do it per ad group, okay? All right, so first ad group, pizza delivery, right? Let's get a spreadsheet here. Ad group 1, pizza delivery. Cool, so we're gonna do that. We're gonna come back over and we're gonna look at top of page low range, top of page high range, all right? So there's two different ways you can do this. You can go with the lower, Google's telling you this is what the lowest you can bid to show up at the top of the page. And if you want to be at the top of the page aggressively, this is what you should be bidding. All right. I personally always go top of the page because I need to get leads quick for my clients, so I can't, mess around for a week adjusting bids up and down and doing stuff like that. So for this example, I'm going to take top of the page, which I'm sure you guys will appreciate because it'll get you results faster as well if you implement this. So the main keyword is $4, right? So we'll take the main cost per click, the main lead cost is $4 for that main keyword. We'll put that there. Pizza delivery near me, so we can definitely use this keyword in that ad group, and that is actually higher. That's $7.34. Keep going down. See Pizza Hut. That would be a great negative if we're a pizza shop because we are not Pizza Hut. Domino's, another one. Pizza place near me. That's for another ad group. Remember, we just want delivery, right? Order pizza online. It's another ad group. Pizza Hut, Domino's, Little Caesars. Man, these guys really. Closest pizza place. All right, so let's just actually add a filter on here so we can try and get this faster. And we'll just we want to see keywords that have the word delivery in them. Perfect. Okay. Let's go back up to the top. Main keyword, got this one. These are all brands, which you obviously want to negative out. Best pizza delivery near me. That's a good one. 941. So what we're doing here is we're finding Google's top click price to be at the top of their search results, right? And we're just going to add them down in this column here under our ad group. And then we're going to set our initial bid limit cap, which I'll go over in a minute. Local pizza delivery, 341. That's nice because I'll bring that down a little bit. Keep going here. Online pizza delivery, we can take that one. Actually, not even a suggestion for that. Got no more suggestions. All right, so let's just say you go through, and obviously, guys, this is a weird niche. So in a normal niche, you're going to have a lot of different keywords. So let's say you went through and you found about 10. I'd try to go 10 to 15. All you're really going to do is average these together, right? So I don't know the formula in Excel. I'm really bad with that. That's Ed's jam is doing all the Excel stuff. So I'm just going to do this manually. So let's do 4 plus 7.34 plus 941 plus 341. And then we're just going to divide that by 1, 2, 3, 4, divided by 4. All right, so this is, well, that is not right. All right, either way, so my math's terrible. We need to average this. So you're going to set your bid limit cap. Say you're using maximize clicks. So for this ad group, we're going to set our bid limit cap at whatever this is going to say. And I just lost where I was again. I'm sorry, guys. I'm really terrible with math, which is funny considering marketing is my career. 341. All right, so that equals 24. Then we're going to divide that by 4. 604. Okay, so that's what our bid limit cap is going to be. Now, I actually go a little higher. I would actually bump this to like 630 just to give myself a little cushion. And for Google's algorithm to play with that, the bidding algorithm. So that's what we're going to do for this ad group. So ad group 1, pizza delivery. We're going to set our initial bids at 634, I would say. I would go 20 cents, 10 cents, whatever you want to do, it doesn't really matter, but you don't want to go below this number, okay? Because we're going to average this together. So we're going to set our initial bids at this to start, or if you're running maximize clicks campaign and you're using that auto bidding strategy, we're going to set our bid limit cap for, well, actually, you can't really do that at the ad group level. So what you're going to have to do is go through each of your ad groups and figure out what your average cost per click, price per click is going to be, and then average all those together and then create that for the campaign level. All right, you'll get an idea. Like it could be, I mean, we can go through a bunch of different ad groups here, and it could be like this one's 6, this one's 10, this one's 20. I mean, it's going to be, they're all going to be different because they're different keywords. But just to get for an initial start to building your campaign, this is a quick way that you can just get results decently quickly without having to try and figure out what the hell am I supposed to be bidding here. All right, so top of the page, remember top of the page is where we're getting these numbers from. These are on the higher side for the more higher intent keywords, so you might actually want to bid a little higher, but this is just a guideline on what you should be, how you should be structuring your initial bids. All right, so this is not gospel. This is flexible. You can go higher. I usually do because I want the results faster, but this is a quick way that you can figure out what you should be bidding per ad group, or at a campaign level. Do all your ad groups in an Excel sheet or something like that, and then average them all together, and then you have your bid limit cap for your overall, the entire campaign, and you can let Google do its thing. All right, so hopefully this video was helpful. I'm sorry I was kind of like jumping all over the place. I haven't done this in a while because like I said, I kind of just walk into a niche and I know what it is. If you guys have any questions, drop them in the comment section below below the video, and I'll be happy to help. But this is something, just a little tool to keep in your back pocket if you ever go into a client work or your own business and you're just not sure where to even start. This is a quick, easy way where you can figure out the ballpark of what you should be starting at, right? And then obviously you adjust, you increase or decrease based on if you need more impressions, if you're not getting clicks, if you're not, then you go into optimization tactics, which you can go to our channel and check out the optimization videos. All right, guys, don't forget to subscribe and check out the links in the description. I will see you in tomorrow's video.